If you want to get your Polish visa, know this and do this now. Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. In case you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Breno and we are changing lives. We drop videos about opportunities one can use to move abroad through work or study or through any other legitimate way. So ensure that you stay glued to this channel by subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop content. We drop content every week. Welcome once again. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you something which I feel is a secret to getting a Polish visa. Now, I'm saying this based on my observation. I'm not saying that 100% you'll be guaranteed a visa if you apply this principle, but I'm sharing this with you based on my own observation, and I would like you to implement it. So if you're wise, you would implement this. Before I share this perceived secret with you, I want to put a disclaimer that the information I'm about to share with you is not a professional advice from any immigration. We are not affiliated with any immigration, so please make your independent research regarding what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. So the billion-dollar question is, what is this secret? I know you've been waiting. I'm going to share that with you. Please pay attention. Let's start with student first. So if you want to move to Poland as a student, okay, ensure you apply to schools or to a school that can contact the embassy with your admission letter or acceptance letter or invitation letter. Very, very important. You know, the people who have seen their institution do that got their visas. I just feel that played a big role in them getting the visa. I repeat, apply to schools that can send your admission letter or document or can contact the embassy that you have been accepted as a student. I know that the school will not tell the embassy to give you a visa, but I believe that would increase your chances of getting that visa. Or better still, let's put it this way. Before applying to schools or applying to a school in Poland, ask them, okay, write them and ask them, after you've secured the admission, can they help in sending your documents, that is your acceptance letter, proof that you've been accepted, to the embassy? Very important. I know that most schools in Poland will not do that, okay? Hence, you need to ask. Very, very important. I don't know if these schools are afraid, but I feel that when a school you've been accepted in contacts the embassy with your admission letter, you know, maybe it kind of scares them, the person who sees the letter or the person who sees the email. Maybe it scares them and they just can't deny you a visa. Now, the embassy reserves the right to deny anybody a visa, and the embassy reserves the right to give anybody a visa, okay? But I'm just saying, based on my own observation. But you have to understand that legally, you've been given an admission and you've paid your school fees. And under normal circumstances, the embassy are supposed to give you a visa. But, you know, the rate of visa rejection now to Europe is so high. Back in those days, when somebody gets an admission and has paid their school fees, it is almost certain that they will get their visa. But these days, that's not the case. Those days, moving to Europe through school is one of the easiest, which I believe is still one of the easiest, but the visa is harder now. As a bonus to help my fans and followers, I'm going to give you the name of a school which I know and believe sends proof of admission to the embassy after giving admission to students. Based on my experience, I strongly recommend that you apply to this university. I'm going to put the link to their website in the description under this video. Again, for clarity's sake, I am not saying that if you implement this, you get a visa, a Polish visa, 100%, okay? But it is better to try. You know, I'm telling you based on what I've seen work, and I'm bringing it to your doorstep. And if you're wise, you know what to do. As a worker or somebody who wants to come to Poland to work, ask your employer to send proof of employment to the embassy. I believe that this could help. Alright guys, that's it about this content. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and drop your questions in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching till this time. You can talk to me one-on-one if you need personalized guidance about immigration matters, about moving abroad, or about your stay abroad, okay? You can talk to me one-on-one. The link is in the description under this video. Go over there, do the needful, and after you've done that, take a screenshot of your booking and contact me on either Instagram or Facebook, okay? Also, if you want to create a CV, a professional CV, European standard, all right, or if you want to upgrade your own into European standard CV, the link is in the description under this video. Go there, do the needful and contact me on either Instagram or Facebook. If you liked that video you just watched, please give me a thumb up on this video and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Okay, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop content. And if you have any question, please put the comment section below. Okay, till I come your way again, have a great time. See you in my next video.